Hello and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we are going to see how to make an easy, quick presentation. Even if it is your first time to make a presentation and you don't have any software in your computer, you can simply go online to Google Slides and make an amazing presentation in a few quick steps. You can start with the pre-made themes. We shall go to Google Slides. Okay, we'll search for Google Slides. It will be popping up. We'll go personal. And you have a great template of many presentations for different usages. You can start with a blank one, as you can start from here if you like to add your photos and your text and everything, or you can start with any of the pre-made text and themes. You have for work, for personal cases, for case studies, for education, a lot of themes you can use from. Okay, so we can start by work for example, one for work like this one, and you can see it's come already loaded with welcoming screen or start screen. It comes with details after that in different types that you can go through. Just you need to remove the text and add your own text on it. And as we described before, maybe if you are describing on one slide different point, you don't like that all these points are coming to the viewer or to the listener, and then you speak about it and he is reading ahead of you, and you need this to appear one by one. So we can come, and from here you can come and make edit, select all, okay, and simply control click on the title, so it is out of our selection, and we come here to insert animation. Here it is coming fading in on click, and it will be coming in paragraph, and then we can make it fading in one by one. So this one is coming directly, first one is coming on click, second one is coming after previous, okay, and the third one will be coming on a click. So you have your time to speak about the first item, and the fourth one will be coming. You can make it with previous or you can make it after previous, and then you can select the timing. For example, this one I'll make it a little bit timing to see the difference. I'll make this one slow, so you can see the different alternatives you can make. And then the third item, this will be coming on click, and okay, and each paragraph I will leave it coming with previous to see the different views, and then I can play the animations. Okay, so it's coming here, it's waiting for my click. I click, it's coming 01. After some time coming the next item, I am going to speak about it. Then if I click again, this one is coming, and coming this one, it's coming fading in based on the timing I had selected, which is a little bit increased than this one. If I click again, they will be coming together because it's coming with the previous. So now we know how to arrange our points to appear on the screen. We can also okay, click on the slide to end, stop. So we end our presentation. We end our running for this slide. We can select from here transitions. That is the transition between the slides. So if I come here to slides, initially there is no transition. If I come to here and select for example slide from right, okay, and apply this to all slides, okay, and you can see the icon here is coming that it is applied to all slides. If I start my presentation from the first beginning, you can see every slide of this you can customize, and you can insert slides, new slide from here, and it's coming a new slide which is empty slide based on the template which is previous one. But you can come to here, for example, right click and you say new slide. Okay, then we are adding it based on the template. If you need to change the template, you will go to this one, right click on it, change background, apply layout. If you click on apply layout, you'll find the layout that is pre-programmed in your theme. If you don't like one of the slides, just simply you come to here, right click on it, and you delete it. Maybe I delete this one also, I don't need. Okay, now if I start from here and start to present, it's coming prototyping presentation. Okay, then when I click to go to the second slide, swiping this one we edit without adding text now, and then coming the second one, we can adjust the timing, we can adjust the effect if I don't like this effect, for example, and then coming to understanding our problems, where we made the animations. 1, 2, this is coming a little bit delayed because we changed it the timing, and 3, it's coming all together because we selected with previous. If I make escape, I come out from running the slides and return back to my presentation. Again, as we have seen on Microsoft presentation, I can come and change the theme. You will find your themes coming here. For example, I don't like this theme, I prefer this theme. I will be selecting this one. You will find that your presentation is already transformed into the new theme, keeping all what you have done, including what we had added in this presentation, like understanding problems, for example. The color of the text is still in white because we had made an animation, so it didn't transform it to the coloring. So I can come here and select the text color. I'll make it black. So here, 1, coming 2 and 3. Okay, if I click again, that's still keeping the sliding. So I exit out and still keeping the slide from right, so I need to change it to cube. Okay, and apply to all slides. Then I present again. Okay, now you can see the cube working. If you can return back with your left arrow, okay, you can remove the points, start again, enter. First point is appearing, second point is appearing, and third point is appearing. Okay. You can download it here as Microsoft PowerPoint presentation or as a PDF, and you run it on computer after that. Thank you for following up so far till the end, and I hope you had learned a wealth of information today to make your presentation quickly online without having any program installed on your computer, and you are ready to present directly. Thank you very much.